So here I have a shower chair or a tub transfer bench, however you want to call it, but this is the base right here. You put the handles here, and then the back goes right there. So these little things come off right here to slide in the legs. The legs are right here. The cool thing about the legs, they have 6 different heights that you could set. So 6 different heights, so you can use it for anybody. No tools are required, only these screws, and you screw them in by hand. So let me go ahead and put this together. So I use the screws. The screws are only for this part. 5 screws for the legs, 1 for the middle to connect it, and the rest it just clips on. So let's clip on the rest. When connecting these side pieces, make sure the white little push button connects to the C part. You see how there's a silver one and a white one? So the plain one goes here, the one with this little handle goes in the front. So this part here with the plastic locks into the back. So right there. The cool thing about this locks into place, but you can move it out of the way and lift it up so you can slide in on one side. And then once you sit down, you just lock it back in place. I forgot to mention the weight capacity. This chair holds up to 500 pounds.